Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to tap on Advanced, and right here we should have Reset options, so let's tap on it. On the third position we've got the option we are looking for, so just tap on it, and right now your device will tell you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.